There are new problems at Tesla Giga Berlin, and the start date apparently is in danger. Tesla CEO Elon Musk plans to roll off the first electric cars from his European Gigafactory Giga Berlin in July, but the factory doesn't even have a silver connection by now. And there is more turbulence, reports Thorsten Metzner in the German authoritative publication Der Tagesspiegel. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harian from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel. Give us thumbs up if you find this report informative and helpful. And if you'd like to support our channel, please send us an upload, which you will see next to the like button. Suddenly, there are problems everywhere on the way to the new Tesla factory in Grünheide. In a current documentary by the ZDF magazine Frontal 21, allegations have been raised again about the high water consumption of the Gigafactory, which is supposed to supply all of the Europe. Please don't be concerned. This is not a FUD report, but I want to send you a balanced report about how things are going at Giga Berlin. According to Tagesspiegel information, the planned start of production in Grünheide in July 2021, which Elon Musk has so far stuck to, is clearly in danger. The installation of the production robots in the factory halls is already in full swing on the 300-hectare site. But the construction of the central sewer pipe, which was originally supposed to be ready in February or March 2021, has not even started. We're talking about 5-kilometer sewage. Without it, the trial run cannot even start. It hardly seems possible that the first cars will roll off the assembly line in July. Yesterday, I reported that those bodies of Model Y may be from there, but apparently not. There are also no water and sewage pipes installed on the site itself, which is usually done before the building is constructed. For this and for building ground leveling, Tesla has applied for 2 further advance permits. So far, Tesla has been working with 10 pre-authorizations, 8A authorizations, at its own risk, as the main approval process is still ongoing. A 5-kilometer sewer line that I just said at Giga Berlin by July, can it be done? Tagesspiegel asked this question. A 5-kilometer sewer pipe has to be built from the plant to Erkner, near the S-Bahn station, which is complicated. In the urban area, the underground is difficult due to contaminated sites. The motorway and the railway line must be crossed underground. Approvals are required for this, both from the Federal Motorway Office and the Federal Railway Authority, which is feared because of its long processing times. I'm not saying this may not be possible. This may be possible, but I'm just telling you so you know and be informed. According to an expert on the problem, that will hardly be possible by July. Tesla, on the other hand, assures industry circles close to it the line should be ready for use by the planned start of production. This means in July. As the Tagesspiegel found out, Tesla has now awarded the contract to a Brandenburg civil engineering company, which is now supposed to obtain the permit and build the route. The Strasbourg-Erkner Water Association, called WSE, had prepared the project and probably also because of the tight, risky schedule, did not take it on itself. Instead, it was handed over to Tesla on the basis of a contractual agreement. On schedule, said WSE boss Andre Bahler to Tagesspiegel to this newspaper. The rest of the implementation is in the hands of Tesla. We don't know what the schedule looks like. That's what they said to Tagesspiegel. Association chief warns of endangering the drinking water supply in the Giga Berlin area. I reported about this a few days ago, but as I said, Elon Musk had downplayed that. It is Bahler, who in the 45-minute documentary by Frontal 21 of ZDS as a key witness, vehemently warns that because of the high water consumption of the Tesla Gigafactory Giga Berlin built in the drinking water protection area, there would be restrictions for consumers. Here's a quote. The drinking water supply in the region is being sacrificed on the table of economic policy. Elon Musk has downplayed this, saying if there is not enough water, how come there are that many forests that they had to level to build the Giga Berlin? The factory will initially get 1.4 million cubic meters of water from the WSC, as much as a city of 40,000 people. This need is considered to be secured by in the planned expansion stages of 3.6 million cubic meters are involved, for which, according to WSC, there is not enough water. Maybe Tesla and WSC can get the water from far away, but that needs to be contracted. Here's a quote. We hope that our concerns will finally be taken seriously in the ongoing approval process, Bachler told Tagesspiegel. Unfortunately, there will to simply push the project through its overwhelming. In contrast, Environment Minister Axel Vogel from the Greens Party pointed out on Wednesday that explorations for a new drinking water reservoir with an annual capacity of 4 to 6 million cubic meters were currently being carried out in Hangelsberg in north, which would be considered for the future water supply of the Feinbrück Industrial Park, and thus also the Gigafactory would come. Friends, it may seem that I'm talking about problems, but I'm telling you what the German publication is reporting, and I want you to be aware when you make your own decisions. I don't have any Tesla stocks, but I want to just you be aware. ZDF, employees, environment agencies also feel under pressure, tells ZDF. Vogel is responsible for the State Environment Agency, where the approval process for Giga Berlin is running. Here's a quote. We don't let anyone put us under pressure, assured Vogel. No pressure is exerted, not even from Economics Minister Jörg Steinbach from the CPD party. We ensure that a legal, secure procedure is guaranteed. Now, you are particularly so this is where things are right now with Giga Berlin. But what I'm going to tell you is that Vogel responded to the ZDF representation, according to which LFU employees felt under pressure according to internal protocols because of tight deadlines, but also statements from the Brandenburg government. Then the authorities talk about the stress factor Tesla. When the main license for the Gigafactory will be granted, that question is still open. We have no idea when the final permit will come. Yesterday I said that the final permit of Giga Berlin may come after they inspect the building, because until now they're using preliminary approvals. She was last notified by the end of March. At the event of errors, the risk would increase that our expected processes could completely destroy Tesla's tight schedule through lawsuits from environmental associations. So it is not sure, we're not sure if the final permit will come by the end of March either. Elon Musk also wants to invest 5.6 billion euros in Grünheide. Musk also wants to build the world's largest battery factory in Grünheide. According to ZDF, he is planning investments of 5.6 billion euros, which was supposed to be 4 euros as we knew it previously. So the price and the cost has gone up. Maybe the cost has gone up because of the battery factory. The location of the battery factory was made public a few weeks ago by Tagesspiegel and was officially confirmed. After that, the battery factory is to be housed in the hall, which is several soccer fields large and which Tesla is initially building as a warehouse according to the building application, which I talked about, that Tesla was building a warehouse in the size of 3 soccer fields. Environmental Minister Vogel recently said that an application for real location has been announced. Much has been speculated about how much this energy transition project will cost the public sector, which will be part of the European Battery Promotion Program, for which the EU recently approved subsidies. I think Tesla is getting about $2 billion subsidies or so. Of all people, Volkswagen boss Herbert Diess claimed on Tuesday at the company's balance sheet press conference that he knew it, how much this will cost the public. Here's a quote from this. Tesla has been awarded billions for battery production in Brandenburg, he said. So far, there is no confirmation of this. Tesla has to fight on all fronts for the Gigafactory Berlin, Brandenburg to be producing, making production on time. Again, friends, don't be afraid. Don't be very much concerned. These are just daily goings, and I want you to be aware because you're making decisions on your stocks, on your investments, or just following Tesla. I don't have any Tesla stocks. I'm not in the stock market. I've said this many times. I'm just reporting news, and I want you to know that Torque News channel will bring you balanced news, the good and the bad. Our life is like that. There is good and there is the bad, and we navigate through that. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, and give us thumbs up, please, if you find this report informative. And if you would like to support our channel, please send us an upload, which you will see next to the like button. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. See you soon in our next report, and peace be with all of you.